In this video, we are going to show you this portable tire air compressor, MegaFlow 24, provided by Wolfbox for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Nice compact design, measuring at 2.95 inches by 2.16 inches by 6.69 inches tall. Has an internal battery of 12,000 milliamps. On the side, we have your covered USB-C input-output port. It supports power delivery up to 40 watts. Great for fast charging. Right below that, we have your 12-volt DC power interface. This is not used for charging, but for power support if the device battery is low and need more power to inflate your friend's tires too. On the other side, we have your rubber handle. On top, you have your air tube interface. Right next to that, we have your LED flashlight. To use the flashlight, you want to hold the unit button for 2 seconds. We have your flashlight mode. Press once, press again. You have your flash mode, press one more time, and we have your SOS mode. Hold it down for 2 seconds to turn it off. On the front, you have a nice see-through panel with your control panel below. In the middle would be your power button. Top left is your mode button. Right now you have car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, ball mode, and if you have no icons, that is your custom mode. This unit has a max of 150 PSI. This button is your unit switching from PSI to BAR, kPa, and kilograms per centimeter. The bottom two buttons are your pressure adjustment, negative and positive. It has a 2-inch display with your battery indicator and your live pressure reading. Includes a 20-inch air hose, an 11-foot DC power cord, a USB-C cable used for charging the device, your ball air nozzle, a balloon air nozzle, a French air nozzle, an extra 2-amp fuse, a nice storage bag, a quick guide, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. We're going to go ahead and test it on a larger tire. We have a 20-inch tire here. Okay, I dropped the pressure to 29 PSI. We're going to go ahead and inflate it to 36 PSI and time it to see how long it takes to get there. All right, here we have your timer. It does have a auto shut off feature. About 3 minutes and 23 seconds. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.